Hi, American Literature students. So today you guys are going to be reading through two different texts. You'll read through America as a Woman, and then you will read through the poem Columbia. After you do that, you're going to complete a few multiple choice questions and just put them like on a Word document. So you're going to have one, part A, part B, and then you will also complete number two. After that, you guys are going to be writing a narrative. Okay. Now, I told my students to do the best you can. I will be like reading through these and kind of giving you guys a grade, so make sure that it is your best effort. I actually had students kind of timed in class to give them an idea of how long it would be. Now, because this isn't a quiz grade, I'm not going to make you guys time yourself, but I would say try not to go for more than 30 minutes. Like, try to see what you can actually accomplish with the narrative in 30 minutes or less. Okay, it doesn't have to be a full like page and a half like it normally is. I would go for maybe 3 to 4 paragraphs if you can. Okay, but again, you guys are doing this. Actually, time yourself because on the EOC you have to time yourself, right? I mean, because on the EOC you're not going to have an unlimited amount of time, so you can write like the best narrative ever, but if it takes you an hour and a half, you're not going to be able to do that on the EOC. So again, take a short time period, about 30 minutes, write out the narrative, time yourself, and then do those things. I actually give you some advice on how to write narratives and what to include. So make sure you're including, for instance, dialogue. Make sure that you include sensory imagery. Make sure you include like the thoughts and feelings of certain characters. Describe as much as you can about what they look like, the weather, things like that. So again, read through this. Inner thoughts are always a good thing to have as well, the thoughts and feelings of characters. So this is my narrative advice. So if you guys will read through that and then again, write the narrative in about 30 minutes. There's going to be a part two to this assignment. I'm going to have you guys do some kind of personal reflection and things like that, but I will be uploading that video, which was the second half of class. I will upload that tomorrow. So make sure that you guys look for this, the second half of the video. I'll post it to the same assignment, and you guys will do some kind of personal reflection on how you think you did and why. Just as a quick reminder, here is the narrative rubric for how you're going to be graded on the EOC. So basically, I can go ahead and tell you guys what part two is going to be. You guys are going to be doing a self-reflection on how you think you did in each one of these categories. So I want you guys, like I had students write about content, organization, technique, usage, and conclusion, and kind of telling me how you feel like, do you feel like you're a 3 or a 4 and in those categories, and why do you think that? So you kind of like do a little bit of reflection on your strengths and your weaknesses, talking about each one of those points. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, that's fine. I'm also going to upload, like I said, tomorrow I'll upload the video where I discuss the self-reflection, and also where in class we actually looked at an exemplar response. So what do the EOC people think is a 4 and why? And what does the EOC people think is a 3 and why? So I will upload that video tomorrow to the same assignment after you guys have submitted this and completed this. So make sure that you look for that so that you are ready to go and can really see what a 3 looks like, what a 4 looks like, and why. And I'll probably have you guys write like a little something about like, what did you think that it deserved a 4, the exemplar response, why or why not, just to show that you watched that video and understood the content of it. So anyway, I will post that tomorrow. For today, just worry about completing those 3 questions, the multiple choice questions, and then of course that last question, which is the narrative. Also, if you want to go ahead and do the self-reflection, you can, which is you're going to be rating yourself and telling me what you think you deserve and why. Your rating is not going to affect your grade, so I don't want you to think that, oh, I'm going to give myself all 4s so that I get a higher grade on this. I'm going to be reading through your narrative, and I'm going to be grading you like I think I need to. So your rating is going to have no reflection or no impact on me and the grade that I give you. So just be honest, right? And go through each category and tell me what you think you deserve for content and why, like what rating you give yourself and why, with some specific evidence to kind of back that up. So you'll be writing, an in-depth reflection, maybe like take about 5 or 10 minutes each one of those categories. Tell me why you think you deserve a 3 or a 4 or whatever. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. I miss seeing you guys. I wish that everybody was here with me, but I understand for reasons why you can't be. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that makes sense. And I will post that other half of the video tomorrow with the exemplar responses. Okay. Make sure that you guys take a look at that. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.